Tesla revealed Sunday deliveries shot up in the first quarter, representing a 36% increase from the year prior. And this comes after Tesla slashed prices across the globe just a few months ago, sparking a price war in EVs. And joining us now with the latest is Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramanian. Pras, the details, the numbers, please.
Yeah, Jared. So this is an all-time record for Tesla delivery-wise, 423,000 for the quarter, barely beating Bloomberg estimates of 421,000. Although they handily beat estimates from the production side, they produced 441,000 cars, estimates of 432. So strong numbers there. The price cuts are clearly working. The demand is being boosted there. But I think there's a little bit of concern here about the future, right? And, Tesla said they want to hit about 1.8 million vehicles delivered this year. Right now they're trending at about 1.6. Can they boost that up, meet that kind of mark, that 200,000 bogey there for the year? Giga Berlin hit 5,000 cars produced a week. Giga Austin, 4,000 cars. So they're kind of trending that in the right direction. In China, you have fewer disruptions like the lunar holiday and maybe lesser COVID infections. So there'll be some positives there. But the question is, do they got to cut more prices again? Do they got to do that again? And that's the concern. I think that's why we're seeing the stock not necessarily reacting that well today. I can't, if I can see that in the pre-market there. But we'll see. I think the issue is that its sentiment is the price cuts temporary, or they're going to be needed again.
Yeah, even as we're tracking shares pre-market, as you were mentioning a moment ago, they are down by about 2.8% right now for shares of TSLA. This comes as we did get some delivery numbers that came in from other electric vehicle manufacturers as well. And a larger question of if Tesla is doing this, of course, how does that impact their margins at the end of the day, too? But we've got this as many of the other auto manufacturers are ramping up their own delivery. Rivian delivering 7,946 vehicles in their quarter, too.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's an estimate or if that's the real number. I haven't seen that yet. But
saying that they're on pace to meet their annual production goal.
Okay, yeah, sure. That's good, but I mean, they actually had to raise prices, right? Because they couldn't maintain that margin, like you mentioned.
Right.
Tesla's able to maintain those margins. We saw some numbers by Li Auto too. They're doing well there in China. But the big question is, can they actually keep growing, but also grow profitably without having to engage in a deep price war, which seems to be happening right now in China and possibly going to happen here soon.
All right, Yahoo Finance's own Pras Subramanian. All things autos this morning and a lot of auto news over the weekend and this morning. Thanks so much, Pras.